Hello again. Today we have sort of data recovery job. This is a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte hard drive. The customer tried to plug it in some adapter by his information, but the hard disk doesn't spin and doesn't work at all. Pretty much if we connect it to a docking station and when we plug it, the light goes off, which means there is some problem with the board. So we're gonna remove the board. We're gonna check. Usually they have some sort of protection diodes, and if he use some adapter with a wrong polarity or something like that, something may blow up. So let's check. We have something like a burn mark. Let's check under the microscope. It smells also like something is burnt. Let me get my tweezers. Yeah, something is stuck in here. As we see, it smells like a burnt semiconductor. Let me try to put it on focus. Let's try to clean it to see can we, but I think that's a TVS diode, I think. Yeah, and it smells awful. Oh yeah, we got a crack, so let's try and remove it. We're gonna try and cover some of the plastic so we don't melt it. Let's try. This thing is welded, so let's try and use the soldering iron. Now we have this pad here. Which is a little bit ripped off. But I think it will be okay. The idea is just to download the files. The hard disk won't be used after that. So we'll try to solder a different diode in between the pads, just so we can make the hard drive work. And if the hard drive works, I'll just download the data and I'm gonna call the customer. Let me try and find a similar diode. This one should do, I think. Let's try and remove it. This is a donor board, so we don't care about the plastic. Now the idea is, or I can put it like this and then just solder a wire. Yeah, I think it will be best. I need to use flux. Now let's put the diodes. This side is fine. I know it may look dodgy, but the idea is just to get the data, nothing more. Yeah. Now let's try and put the few screws and try to power on the hard drive. Let's hope nothing else is wrong with the disk. Now we have the light here. Let's plug it. Hard drive spins. Let me try to connect the cable to see whether it will start reading. Yeah, light is on. We hear the head movement, and the hard drive is visible. We have two partitions. Yeah, you can't see, but yeah. So all the information on the hard drive is here. Now I'm gonna download all the files and I'm gonna call the customer. Pretty much it's a lucky case. I even forgot to put the isolation. Customer will be happy. We had only one blow diode, probably because of a wrong voltage or a reverse polarity. So yeah, that's the video. I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.